Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to remove red eyes from your image, from your photo, just with a single click. So friends, here are two images. The same image is this and this. So these are same images and you can see the name here, red eyes copy, and here red eye. These are the images. So here the location of this image is. So I am fixing the eye of this one or red eye the copy one. So you just have to right click from your mouse and you have to open with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. As you open the picture with Microsoft Office Picture Manager, you will get interface like this. You have to go to picture menu and here you can find red eye removal. You have to click there and just click the circle on the eye and you just have to click another circle or another, fix the area that you want to fix or convert from red to black. You have to click on OK and you can now see that the red eyes have been now dissolved and has been now converted to black one. So let's save the image and go to the picture options. So this is the picture, this is the first one, this is the second one, and let's now compare because the image is saved now. So let's again open this one, this image, and then see this image. So this is the second picture and this is the first picture. This is the first picture with red eyes and this is converted to black eyes. So you have converted the eyes from red to black. So this is easier way. Thank you.